I am a plant manager in Autoliv Poland, seatbelt plant. My daily job is to drive my team to deliver the quality and financial results. Inventory accuracy has been improved since DELMIA implementation. Waste and scrap management is controlled on a daily basis. Before, it was all manual input. Today, it is all automated thanks to scanning. By implementing the solution in the warehouse area, we have been able to gain time for the warehouse operators to focus on improvement activities and workshops. DELMIA is allowing finished goods pickups online visualization. Pokajoke scanning prevents us from errors in our outbound sections, allowing us to ensure 100% goods on-time deliveries to our customers. Now that DELMIA is up and running in our production site, we would like to consider new options in the future to stay at the leading edge of the technology.